Imagine spending your hard-earned money on a brand new car only to have it break down before you've driven it 60,000 miles. From engine failures to faulty transmissions, these cars might leave you stranded and cost you big time. Think your car's safe? Stick around because what you're about to see could save you thousands in repairs and a ton of frustration. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. On paper, this minivan seems like a dream for families, offering spacious seating, modern features, and the fuel efficiency of a hybrid. But when we dig deeper, the story takes a turn. Owners have reported substantial reliability issues. Some have faced prolonged periods without their vehicle due to high-voltage electrical problems. One owner shared that their Pacifica Hybrid spent over 1,000 days in the shop troubleshooting these issues. And the problems do not stop there. The vehicle has been subject to recalls due to potential engine stalling caused by defective wiring connectors inside the transmission. Additionally, there have been reports of the engine shutting down unexpectedly, leading to safety concerns. In July 2024, Stellantis, the parent company of Chrysler, recalled about 24,000 Pacifica plug-in hybrid minivans worldwide due to fire risks. Owners were advised to park outside and avoid recharging their vehicles until a software update became available. While the Pacifica Hybrid delivers appealing features and the promise of fuel efficiency, these significant reliability and safety concerns have led many to question its dependability. For families seeking a trustworthy minivan, it's crucial to weigh these factors carefully before deciding. Rolling in at number 9, we have the Volkswagen Taos. At first glance, this compact SUV seems like a solid choice. Stylish design, comfortable interior, and German engineering badge. But as some owners have discovered, the Taos might have a few tricks. One of the most common complaints is engine issues, which can make your morning commute feel like a suspense thriller. Imagine cruising along when suddenly your Taos decides it's time for a nap, stalling out of nowhere. Some drivers have noted considerable lag in acceleration, making merging onto highways more thrilling than they would like. Owners have mentioned problems with the in-car electronics, from dimming dashboard lights to issues with the infotainment system. It's as if the Taos has a mind of its own, choosing when and how to keep you entertained. Consumer Reports has taken note of these issues, highlighting trouble spots in areas like the drive system and in-car electronics. It's worth mentioning that Volkswagen ranked 25th out of 30 automakers for reliability, with the Taos contributing to that less than stellar performance. So while the Volkswagen Taos might catch your eye with its sleek looks and promise of a comfortable ride, be prepared for a relationship requiring more patience. Remember folks, always do your homework before signing the dotted line. Sometimes it's what's under the hood that counts the most. Slotting into the number 8 spot, we have the Rivian R1T, the electric pickup that has been turning heads and occasionally turning itself off. Don't get us wrong, this truck has impressive speed and off-road capabilities, but as some owners have discovered, it's not all smooth sailing. Consumer Reports rated the R1T as unreliable at just 2 out of 5. Owners have reported issues ranging from electrical accessories to body hardware. But Rivian drivers are affected with love despite these problems. 86% said they would buy their vehicle again, giving Rivian the highest owner satisfaction rating. So if you're eyeing the R1T, be prepared for a thrilling ride with a few unexpected detours. It's a relationship that promises excitement as long as you're ready to welcome the quirks of being an early adopter. Cruising into the number 7 spot, we have the Mini Cooper Electric, a car that promises classic Mini charm with a modern, eco-friendly twist. But is this electrified icon all it's charged up to be? Let's plug in and find out. First, the good news. The Mini Electric has been praised for its reliability. In a 2023 survey, it ranked first out of 20 electric vehicles, having a reliability score of 97.6. Only 7% of owners reported minor issues, none severe enough to cause the car to be undrivable. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some drivers have reported that the dashboard can be a bit creaky, and mobile phone connections have dropped unexpectedly. The Mini Electric delivers a vibrant and agile driving experience on the performance front, staying true to its go-kart-like handling. But its range is on the shorter side. In ideal conditions, you might get up to 144 miles on a full charge, but realistically, many drivers find it closer to 100 to 125 miles. If you're planning a long road trip, you might want to map out those charging stations or pack a long extension cord. The Alfa Romeo Tonale plug-in hybrid is sliding into the number 6 spot on our list. The sleek Italian SUV seeks to combine style with eco-friendly performance, but some drivers have experienced a few unexpected twists on their journey. Some owners have reported that the Tonale's engine occasionally revs up to 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs before shifting gears, even when not in manual mode. It's like the car channels its inner race car driver at inconvenient times. Advanced driver assistance systems like the automatic emergency braking have also been a bit choosy. In wet conditions, drivers have received persistent AAB service required warnings, which led to the cruise control disengaging unexpectedly, a surprise no one wants on a rainy highway. In October 2024, Stellantis, Alfa Romeo's parent company, recalled approximately 44,500 hybrid SUVs worldwide, including certain 2024 and 2025 Tonale plug-in hybrids. The issue was a defect in the brake pedal assembly and could cause it to disengage during use. There were 15 reported instances of the brake pedal collapsing, fortunately without any injuries. Dealers addressed this by backing the brake pedal with additional hardware. Beyond these technical concerns, some drivers have noted minor annoyances like intermittent wireless charging and infotainment system glitches. One driver humorously described the engine sound as a bag of spanners after just 900 miles, a description that would make any car enthusiast cringe. At the number 5 spot, we have the Jeep Wrangler, an off-road icon as American as apple pie and occasional mechanical size. Prized for its powerful design and adventurous spirit, the Wrangler has faced its share of reliability bumps on the trail. The Wrangler's off-road capabilities are legendary. With features like solid axles, high ground clearance, and robust four-wheel drive systems, it's built to tackle challenging terrains that would leave other SUVs trembling. For many, this exceptional off-road performance is reason enough to overlook its on-road shortcomings. However, the Wrangler has some significant drawbacks regarding daily driving and long-term ownership. The design elements that make the Wrangler a beast off-road contribute to a less-than-smooth on-road experience. Drivers often report bumpy rides, increased road noise, and handling that can feel unclear at highway speeds. The Wrangler's boxy design and bulky build do not help fuel economy. Owners frequently mention lower-than-average gas mileage, making it a less economical choice for daily commuting. Safety assessments have been mixed. For instance, the 2022 Wrangler received a marginal rating in the IIHS's small overlap front crash test, with concerns about the vehicle tipping over during the test. Diving into owner forums and reviews reveals a range of experiences. Some longtime enthusiasts swear by their Wranglers, emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance and understanding the vehicle's special characteristics. Others, however, share stories of frequent repairs and unexpected issues. A common belief is that while the Wrangler excels in its intended off-road role, those seeking a comfortable and trouble-free daily driver might need to adjust their expectations. Accelerating into the number 4 spot, we have the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid, a truck that promises the perfect marriage of power and efficiency. But does this hybrid heavyweight live up to the hype, or does it all stall under scrutiny? Let's dig in. The F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid has impressive specs, a potent combination of a twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering strong towing capacity and commendable fuel efficiency. On paper, it is the truck that can do it all. However, according to Consumer Reports, the F-150 Hybrid has been flagged for several reliability concerns. Owners have reported issues such as the drive system, in-car electronics, and the EV battery. These problems have contributed to a lower-than-expected reliability score. Diving into owner forums reveals a mix of experiences. Some drivers praise their PowerBoost hybrids for seamless performance and versatility. Others, however, have encountered challenges ranging from electronic glitches to more significant mechanical issues. We have the Volkswagen Atlas at number 3, a midsize SUV that promises German engineering and family-friendly features. But does this Teutonic Titan live up to its lofty claims, or does it leave drivers navigating a maze of mechanical misadventures? Let's buckle up and explore. The Volkswagen Atlas entered the scene in 2018, aiming to capture the hearts of families seeking spacious interiors, advanced technology, and that signature VW driving experience. With 3 rows of seating and a sleek design, it quickly became a contender in the crowded SUV market. However, beneath its polished exterior, the Atlas has faced a series of reliability challenges that have left some owners less than thrilled. One of the most alarming issues reported is unexpected engine stalling, often linked to fuel system leaks caused by faulty fuel injectors. This not only disrupts journeys, but also poses significant safety risks. Drivers have reported loud noises from the automatic transmission, particularly during acceleration from a stop or at low speeds. Such issues can detract from the driving experience and raise concerns about long-term durability. The Atlas's electrical system has not been without faults either. Owners have encountered problems ranging from battery drainage, especially in models equipped with start-stop systems, to malfunctioning door sensors and erratic infotainment behavior. The automated emergency braking system, designed to improve safety, has been known to activate unexpectedly, bringing the vehicle to sudden halts without any apparent reason. Additionally, some have noted that the brakes emit a squealing noise in colder temperatures. Visiting owner forums reveals a mix of satisfaction and frustration. While some appreciate the Atlas's spaciousness and design, others recount stories of repeated dealership visits and unresolved issues. One owner shared their test with the engine, making a loud knocking noise, which led to a complete engine replacement shortly after purchase. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have the Tesla Model S, the electric sedan that redefined luxury driving. But beneath its sleek exterior and cutting-edge tech, does the Model S keep secrets that could leave drivers in trouble? Well, let's get into the electrifying details. Introduced in 2012, the Tesla Model S set a new standard for electric vehicles. It has an impressive acceleration, a spacious interior, and an extensive driving range. Its minimalist design and advanced features like the autopilot system have delighted tech enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike. However, the Model S has faced a series of reliability challenges that have left some owners questioning their investment. In February 2021, Tesla recalled approximately 135,000 Model S and Model X vehicles built between 2012 and 2018 due to touchscreen failures. The issue arose from a flash memory device that was only rated to last 5 to 6 years, leading to potential failures affecting the rear-view camera, safety systems, autopilot, and other features. In October 2020, Tesla initiated a recall of nearly 50,000 Model S and Model X vehicles in China due to suspension issues. Soon after, the NHTSA announced an investigation into 115,000 Tesla cars regarding front suspension safety concerns, explicitly targeting the 2015 to 2017 Model S and 2016 to 2017 Model X years. In August 2019, a class action lawsuit was filed, claiming that a 2019 over-the-air software update choked the Model S battery life, with some vehicles experiencing a range reduction of up to 40 miles. Tesla settled the suit for $1.5 million in December 2020. Some owners praised the Model S for its performance and innovation, but one owner described their vehicle as terrifyingly unreliable, citing numerous major failures and frequent minor issues over 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, we've journeyed through a lineup of vehicles that have left drivers less than thrilled. But now it's time to uncover the number 1 spot on our list of the most unreliable cars. Topping our list is the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. While it offers spacious seating and off-road capabilities, it has been plagued by reliability issues. According to Consumer Reports, it has a reliability score of 23 out of 100, indicating significant concerns. Owners have reported problems with the transmission, electronics, and engine performance. These issues can lead to unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs, making it a vehicle to approach with caution. If you're considering the Grand Cherokee L, it is essential to be aware of these potential pitfalls. Thorough research and a comprehensive test drive are important steps before deciding. Some of these had promise, but as we've seen, reality does not always match the sales pitch. So before you sign that dotted line, ensure you're not buying yourself a one-way ticket to repair shop misery. Which of these cars surprised you the most? Or did you have a nightmare experience with one of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening car content. Until next time, drive safe and avoid these money pits.